In today's video, we are showing you how to combine a side wave and a hip roll in Bachata Sensual. Let's go!
Pero bueno, eso es esta conversación que tú no vas a entender, que tú no la vas a entender. Yo de todo me entero, que tú quieres jugar con mis sentimientos y los míos están bajo cero. Tú estás llorando mal y yo llorando un aguacero. Pero la verdad no quiero, así que tu historia está mal contada y nadie te la cree. No fuiste tú, fui yo el que te dejé. Esa historia es al revés.
So we're doing a side wave with a hip roll. In this case, we are in the close position and we go into a basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Prepare. So we start preparing by bringing ourselves up and breathing in. And then we start with a side wave in 1, 2. So here, guys, we are starting with an upper body movement. The side wave, we are leading it with the upper body. So we are here in 1, 2. And whenever we want to connect it with a hip roll, we have to change the energy of the hips. Because from here, in a normal side wave, she would continue the movement by doing a pendulum with the hips. But we don't want that. So we have to change the direction of the energy and of the movement before she does the pendulum. So if we are here in 1, 2, 3, and now we want her to go into a hip roll, then it's not going to look clean and smooth. So we are here in 1, 2, we bring our hand a little bit down, and before she does the pendulum, we change the energy and go into the hip roll in 3, 4. So guys, we are staying on the spot. We are here on 1, 2, we stay here, and now on 3, we change the energy by creating now a circular motion through here. We bring it a little bit to the front, so towards us and to the outside. In 3, 4, and 5, 6.
For us follower, it's so important that we do our wave step by step and that we don't start and do our side wave and we just want to finish. We always really have to just go up, then the upper body, and always do it step by step, because otherwise you will not notice if he wants to change the direction of your movement. So we go on 1 up, and on 2 it's just the upper body and the hip go is on the right side. Then when we want to do the hip roll, it's important that you have your legs straight and that you don't do this movement with your knees bent. If you are already a little bit in your knee, you still can correct the movement and straighten the leg and do a nice hip roll.
So as a tip, guys, make sure to dance it slower than normally. That way we can make sure that we can control the movement, because if you are dancing with a lot of energy, a lot of strength, it's very possible that she will not wait and she's going to do the movement too fast. And if we go here, and then it's not possible, or it's very difficult and it looks very rough if we try to combine it with the hip roll. So from its point of view, with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know down below. Subscribe to our channel, check out these other videos that you are going to love. See you there.